Look at that. First signs of some spring coming through. Uh-huh. Yep. Got some beautiful flowers coming through here. I think earlier they were open a little bit too. But you take a look around these flowers, right? We got some dead leaves, remnants of fall and winter. And sometimes we find ourselves in life in situations, where everything just looks like some dead leaves. Not much going on here, right? But look, right there's some green coming through too. And just like nature and these flowers, whether it's addiction, active drug addiction, alcoholism, I like to focus on those because that's part of my story, but you can fill in the blank. But look, you guys are strong and powerful. You guys make wise and powerful decisions, but you guys grow and you go towards the light. You avoid growing near these thorns and jaggers and stuff. And you guys grow. Look at this. You guys shine. Like you're brilliant, beautiful flowers. And not only that, you guys are the pioneers. You're the first ones to come through. So dig deep. You guys are strong. And let me tell you, if I can do it, you can do it too. So keep your head up. Life isn't always easy, but that's not an excuse. But right now, today, in this moment, whenever this finds you, this can be your, look at this. Resilient and strong and beautiful on top of that. So look, enjoy this beautiful day. I hope you guys are doing great, and peace and love.